Have you ever felt tired just thinking about working 8 hours a day, dealing with traffic, annoying bosses, low wages, and still watching your money disappear by the end of the month? Now imagine waking up late, grabbing your phone, clicking a few buttons, and while you're sipping coffee in your pajamas, $100 has already landed in your account. This is not a fictional story. In 2025, ordinary people, like you and me, are making money this way. And the best part, without having to push sales, without showing their face, without needing to understand marketing, coding, or professional editing. That's why today I'm going to show you the laziest way to make money online in 2025 and still earn $100 or more per day. So go ahead and hit that like button now, because what you're about to learn could save you years of frustration and put you on the path to financial freedom sooner than you ever imagined. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because here I always share what no one tells you about money, investments, and how to escape the routine that's draining your life. Look, the world has changed. What used to be a marathon of physical effort has now become a sprint of digital intelligence. The most powerful currency in 2025 isn't the dollar or the real. It's attention. Those who know where to place it and how to monetize it are ahead of the game. And that's exactly why so many people are making money in ways that seem almost lazy. Using automated channels, AI-generated voiceovers, free stock images, and hidden links that generate commissions while you sleep. This is called digital leverage. While your content is running on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you could be chilling with your feet in the sand, or playing video games. And even then, the money keeps coming in. It's the famous work once, get paid forever. And the craziest part is that no one teaches you this in school, college, or your regular job. That's why you need to pay close attention to this video until the end, because this could be the turning point you've been waiting for. And hey, if you're enjoying this content so far, click that like button to help the channel grow and make this knowledge reach more people like you. Now, let me explain exactly how this works in practice. You pick a hot topic, could be health, money, weight loss, anxiety, relationships, and create a simple video with powerful text, AI-generated narration, and free stock images. You don't need to show up or record your voice. Then you place a link in the description or comments for a digital product related to the problem you addressed in the video. It could be a meditation course, a diet guide, a method to get out of debt. The person watches, connects with the message, clicks, and if they buy, you earn. It's that simple. No inventory, no shipping, no headaches. And over time, these videos pile up as digital assets. They keep working for you 24 hours a day. Have you ever thought about having 50 videos running while you sleep? Each one earning $1, $5, or $10 a day. Do the math. That's what I'm talking about. And before I continue, leave a comment below, I want to start today, if you're taking this seriously. That way I'll know this content is helping you and I can bring even more step-by-step videos on this topic. Maybe right now you're thinking, but I don't know how to edit, I don't have followers, I've never recorded anything before. And that's where the best part of this strategy comes in. It was made especially for beginners. People who've never created content, who are shy to appear on camera, who don't have fancy equipment or money to invest heavily. All you need is a phone, internet access, and the willingness to learn. What really separates those who can live off this from those who just watch motivational videos is consistency. Posting one video per day for 30 days is the challenge I'm giving you now. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about starting to build something that will pay you even when you're offline. Because true freedom means not depending on your time to make money. And if you think this is just talk, let me tell you a real story. Lucas is 22 years old, lived with his parents, earned $800 as an intern, and had zero prospects. One day, he watched a video like this and decided to give it a shot. Instead of complaining, he took action. He created an anonymous channel, used a free editing app, grabbed royalty-free content, wrote a simple script based on a product about anxiety control, and uploaded the video. At first, 0 views. By the 5th day, several hundred. By the 10th, it had already passed 2,000. One click here, a commission there. And by the end of the month, he had made almost $500. In Brazilian currency, that's already more than double his salary. Today, Lucas has 3 automated channels running, earns more than $700 a day, and is planning to study abroad with the money he made online. Is that luck? No. It's a decision. And you can make that same decision right now. But for that to happen, you need to take action. So if this video is opening your mind, subscribe to the channel now and hit the bell. Don't miss the upcoming videos, because I'm going to bring practical tutorials, free tools, and everything you need to apply this strategy the right way. In the middle of 2025, the world is facing a new gold rush, but this time, it's not about digging into the ground. It's about digging into data, content, and people's attention. Unlike the miraculous promises of quick money from the past, what we're seeing now is a silent but powerful movement of ordinary people mastering simple tools like artificial intelligence, free stock image banks, and video platforms to create an automatic income stream. It's no longer about physical effort or selling your soul to a 9-to-5 job. It's about knowing where to focus your attention, applying strategy, and reaping consistent rewards, even while you sleep. And if you haven't liked this video yet, do it now. You'll realize this knowledge could be the trigger for the change you've been waiting for. Imagine publishing a single video today and, the next day, receiving clicks that turn into money. Now imagine doing that for 30 days straight. What once seemed unlikely becomes inevitable through the power of repetition. Each video is a seed. Posting every day is like watering a garden of possibilities that only keeps growing. Some videos won't bring immediate results, but one of them could explode. And that one win could pay for all the mistakes. In the digital world, persistence is leverage. So write down this mantra: post before you doubt. And if this chapter is opening your mind, make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more coming, and you won't want to miss it. The key lies in the psychology of curiosity. Videos that spark a question, a doubt, or a deep-seated anxiety tend to perform better. And that's exactly where you position a product that directly solves that pain. Talking about insomnia. Offer a meditation course. Talking about debt. Recommend a financial organization guide. The more aligned the content is with the solution, the higher the conversion rate. Don't sell. Inform. Those who inform well, sell without sounding like a salesperson. And of course, don't forget to hit like if this made sense to you. This type of refined strategy isn't taught in school, but here, you're learning it for free. Ashamed to show up on camera? Great. The channels that make the most money are often completely anonymous. Neutral images, AI-generated voices, generic branding, and still, thousands of daily views. Why? Because the focus is on the content, not the face. An anonymous channel gives you the freedom to test ideas, work in silence, and scale with safety. And the best part, if something doesn't work, you can restart with no pressure. That's freedom. If you want more tips on how to build one of these channels from scratch, comment below, "I want an anonymous channel." You don't need millions of views to make money. What you need is a well-built funnel. A video with 2,000 views might get 50 clicks. If 5 of those people buy a product with a $20 commission, you've made $100. Now repeat that with several videos, and you've got a solid income without relying on going viral. The secret is in consistency and alignment between content and offer. Small gains, repeated often, create big results. And if this is motivating you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because here, each tip is a step toward your financial freedom. While you sleep, one of your videos could be selling. While you eat lunch, another video might be growing. That's only possible because digital content works like automated employees. They work 24 hours a day, without breaks, without pay, and without complaints. The secret is to create with strategy, distribute with intelligence, and let the machine run. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram become your partners. They distribute, and you profit. Just don't expect results if you don't plant the right content. So, is this making sense? Hit the like button now and help grow this community of people who want to live off digital income. Not every topic makes money, but all money flows where urgent problems exist. Niches like health, money, relationships, anxiety, weight loss, and spirituality will always generate audiences because they deal with timeless human pain. Choose one of these topics, create videos that trigger direct identification, and place an effective solution at the end. That's it. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You need to follow what works. And if you want a video specifically about the most profitable niches with practical examples, comment below. Make a video just about niches. Scripts are the heart of the video. They need to hook in the first 3 seconds, build curiosity in the next 30, and deliver value until the end. Use strong hooks, questions nobody asks, real stories, and subtle but effective calls to action. Avoid rambling. Those who ramble lose retention. And in digital, retention is king. The longer someone watches your video, the more the platform distributes it, and the more you profit. That's why, if this content is helping you understand what's behind the scenes, hit like and help this video reach more restless minds like yours. You are not alone. AI tools today write scripts, generate voices, edit videos, and even suggest the best titles. You can build an invisible team working for you without spending a penny on employees. The secret is learning how to use these tools as an extension of your creativity. Whoever masters this now is years ahead. We are living through what is likely the biggest digital opportunity window of recent times. And those who ignore it will regret it in 5 years. But those who act now, well, that could be you. Subscribe to the channel if you want more practical tutorials on how to use AI to your advantage. Even without showing your face, you can build authority. Through the repetition of powerful ideas. When people start seeing your videos frequently, they associate your content with value. That creates trust. And trust creates clicks. Silent authority is when you impact without shouting. It's when your digital presence speaks louder than your physical image. And that's exactly the kind of authority that converts to automatic sales. If you want to become a reference without needing to become an influencer, this is the way. Comment "Silent Authority" if this resonated with you. Beyond commissions, there are many creative ways to make money with your videos. Premium affiliate partnerships, your own products, native advertising, lead generation for email lists, and even selling templates or digital packs. The more you diversify, the more protected you are from drops in a single source. Use one video to attract, another to sell, another to retain. The game is multifaceted, and those who understand that build empires. Are you enjoying this more advanced content? Then hit the like button now and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next chapters in this series. Now that you understand the map, only one thing's missing: walk. Most people don't quit because it's hard, they quit because they never start. Put it into practice today. Choose a topic, write a simple script, generate narration, use free images, and post. Don't expect perfection. Expect progress. It's through movement that adjustments come, and through adjustments, results. And before we finish, drop a comment below. What's your biggest barrier to getting started? I read them all and can bring personalized solutions in future videos. And if you've made it this far, congratulations. You're already ahead of 99% of people. Here's the big truth. No one will give you freedom. You have to earn it. And yes, it's possible to do that in a simple, accessible, even lazy way, as long as you have clarity, method, and consistency. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building real, solid, and growing digital income. And look, if you watched this far, congratulations. That already puts you ahead of 90% of people who start and quit. Now there's only one step left: start. And if you want my guidance, comment below "I want my invisible channel," and I'll prepare a special video just for those who are committed. If this video made sense to you, leave a like, share it with someone else who needs to hear this, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Because the next notification might be the key that opens the door to your freedom. The decision is in your hands. And I'm here to help you take that first step. Let's do it together.